Alright guys, today we've cut open a OEM Honda filter. It's pretty universal across most of the Hondas. Some of the Hondas have longer filters, some of them have shorter filters, but for the most part, one filter takes care of 99% of Hondas on the road. We got it cut open. The part number on it says A81843. I'm assuming that has to do with the length of it. It seems like a little bit of a longer one, but this is the actual Honda filter that comes stock when you roll off the lot. The filter housing is pretty nice. It's heavy duty. It's not like, it's got a little bit of flex in it, but not nearly as much as that Valvoline one that we cut open earlier. It's got a silicone anti-drain back valve. This is a superior anti-drain back valve, and it has an interesting like little lip at the end of it that a lot of the anti-drain back valves don't have. I'm sure this is to help it stay in place. That silicone material helps with the higher temperature so that it doesn't warp when the vehicle gets really hot. Sometimes as vehicles get older and put on more miles, they get a little hot. The base plate has a rounded gasket on it. It's a pretty heavy duty base plate. It's a double seamed base plate. Obviously the OEM is gonna, most of the time, is a better product than aftermarket products. The steel coil spring has a plastic piece built into it. Looks like it was pushed through, and then a spring was actually loaded in it. This is a design that you see in a lot of the Mobil 1 Extended Performance Life filters. Now the media itself is actually a paper media, but it has a metal center tube in it. The metal center tube will help it from collapsing in on itself, as opposed to a lot of these filters that have plastic center tubes or no center tube whatsoever. This center tube is it is perforated so that it has a better flow area, and it helps maintain that media so it doesn't wear out. I've got it next to one of our filters. We've pulled this Honda off a Honda Pilot, and I was able to pull one of our filters off a Honda Pilot, so I'm going to get this one cut open as well so we can just compare it. But this seems to be in pretty good shape. It's not very warped at all. The material is still pretty tough, and it's pretty well put together. It definitely could have kept going, which is good because Honda is one of the companies getting on board with having a 10,000 mile oil change. So if they're gonna say 10,000 mile oil change, their filters need to be able to support that length of time. So when we cut it open, a bunch of oil came out, so it did retain a good chunk of oil. It's all over the place now, but all in all, this is what you should expect for an OEM filter. It's a good filter. Obviously, they wouldn't let it roll off the lot like that if it wasn't a good filter. So I'm really proud of the filters that we've made because we have such a high quality filter at such a lower cost than the other premium filters on the market. I compare my filters to the extended performance filters made by Mobil, but just to give you an idea, if you look at how thin this filter is compared to our filter housing, and ours really doesn't have, like you can see right there with that squeeze, how easy it is to squeeze this Honda filter versus our filter. It's just a lot thicker filter housing, and you can see the same thing with the base plate. Our base plate is just a lot thicker than this Honda filter. Now the silicone, the anti-drain back silicone valve is a little bit smaller. We don't have this lip, but the way that our base plate is designed, we don't need this lip to keep it in place on the base plate, because as you can see on this base plate, ours has a metal lip right here. This metal lip right here, as opposed to having no lip on this Honda OEM filter. So the most obvious difference between the two is our filter housing is metal all the way around. The center tube is also a perforated metal tube that keeps it from collapsing. But just look at the quality of our filter versus the OEM Honda filter. There's no waving at all, and that metal base, the metal housing stops these filters. And this is a carbon fiber material. This is not a paper filter like the OEM one is. So, and despite what you might read online, the total surface area of the filter doesn't really affect its ability to filter oil. 99% of filters on the market filter at a 20 micron rate, but and it really doesn't matter how big or how little the filter is. That really just affects how much oil is in the filter at any given time. Our steel spring sits on top of it because we have this metal base plate right here. Or not base plate, housing. Our spring just sits on top of it. It doesn't need to be put in place. Like, this has to pop into the filter. Alright, so ours doesn't need that because it just sits right on top of that filter housing. All in all, this filter was taken off of a Honda Pilot, I believe, that had gone 4,000 miles, and this filter is in fantastic shape. So, side by side, we're gonna go ahead and put everything right next to each other so you can get a good comparison. But here's the different components of the filters, and very happy with the COF6607, which is our Honda filter. It goes on 99% of Hondas, and it's a really good filter, and I think it stacks right up there with the OEM Honda. So just an idea of what they look like. It's a little bit harder to cut through. Just goes to show the quality of the product, and that's really it. So here you go.